Welcome to Be Confident Coaching Center. Today I am going to take the reading part. Reading part consists of three sections A, B and C. A part is subdivided into A, B, C and D. Today I am going to discuss passage anemia. First and foremost, I would like to share some tips and tricks of doing the reading part, which many students consider as a hill task. It is very easy if you just understand and you have a good command over English. Because when you are looking at the keywords, it is not necessary that the keywords are highlighted in the passage. It might be the synonyms or even any other sentence or term that refers to the same meaning. So first, as soon as you get the question paper, first you need to read the question heading. Here it is anemia. Thereafter you will have to read the subheadings if any. If there is no subheading being provided, you will have to read the first two lines so as to understand what is being described in that particular paragraph. Here the first section, that is A part, says about the definition, that is anemia is defined as an overall decrease in red blood cell mass. Now you understand what is being given in this paragraph, that is the definition. Let's look what else is given. If we come downwards, we can see the common symptoms of all anemia are those of hypoxia. So the symptoms are also being specified. So the definition and symptoms. The P part consists of classification, how anemia is being classified into different groups. We can also see a diagrammatic representation is being shown here. C part. The C part consists of different causes of anemia, laboratory studies and unique features. Whereas, let's move to the D part. Here, in the D part, the treatment is being specified. Now let's move to the questions. So first, you will have to read the subheadings, or if subheadings are not given, you will have to read the first two lines so as to understand what is being given in the paragraph. Now let's move to the question. Here, 1 to 6 questions, you will have to write the alphabet that describes the paragraph. That means treating patient with anemia, you will have to write in which paragraph this particular thing is being mentioned. Treating patient with anemia. As we have seen that in part B, it is clearly mentioned regarding the treatment plan. The treatment of anemia, you can see in this particular sentence. So the answer would be D. I have just highlighted it. The treatment of anemia. So the answer of first one will be D. The symptoms of hypoxia. Here hypoxia is a proper noun and you can get that the same word in the passage. Hypoxia. Question number 2. Now let's see if we have come across this word hypoxia. We will have to check each paragraph. It should be the skim and scan method. That means you will have to just go through the sentences, not read each and every sentence. There's the keywords or anything you believe that is important. Let's see if we have come across the word hypoxia anywhere in this paragraph. Yes, hypoxia. So the answer is A. A. because we have come across the word hypoxia in paragraph A. Now let's move to the third question. Methods used to identify anemic patient. As I have asked you to read the important sentences, that means the first two lines or the last two lines of each paragraph. After going through that, methods used to identify anemic patient. Where did you find the methods used? Let's see. Methods, different methods used. Yes. What are the different methods used? It's clearly mentioned studies, laboratory studies used to diagnose. So these are the different methods being used. So the answer will be C. Answer of third question will be C. Now let's move to the fourth question. It's as simple as that. The different types of anemia. Where did you find the different types of anemia? So first you will have to just think of the different synonyms of different types. You can say diversified or varied. You will have to recollect all the synonyms that could be used instead of different. Here, different types of. So, question number 4. Let's move to each section, and in which section did we find the different types of? Yes, there are many classification to differentiate anemia. So in section B we found the term differentiate or classification. So the answer is text B. Answer you will have to write B or just darken the circle below the alphabet B. Next, we'll move to the fifth question. The level of hemoglobin in a woman with anemia. Level of hemoglobin. That means it's a numerical. Answer should be numerical form. So, first, women. Women can be, the synonym can be female. The word women is a common noun, so it can be different synonyms. Whereas hemoglobin is a proper noun, so the same word will be used. Let's see what will be the answer. Fifth one. You will have to, yes, here it is given female. Female, another term for women is female. You will have to check the hemoglobin level. It's clearly mentioned female less than 12.5 gram per deciliter. So the answer is 12.5 gram deciliter. It is given in section C. So the answer of fifth question is C. Now let's move to the sixth question. How red blood cell size affects anemia? How? The questions how, what, where, when, all these are very important. How? So how red blood cell size affects anemia? You will have to understand the question first, then only we can look for the answer. So question number 6. So does the size factor affect anemia? You will have to search for that. Let's see in which paragraph was the classification. Yes, in paragraph B it was given. So yes, based on the size of red blood cell, the most commonly used is based on the size of the red blood cell. So the size really Today I have taught how to answer questions 1 to 6. In my next video, I'll teach you how to answer questions 7 to 20. I believe you have understood the way I have taught, the methods used, the tips and tricks. I believe it will be very beneficial for you. So like, share and subscribe so that maximum number of students could benefit from it. So thank you for now.